Hi guys, there's no new update, and also the question about my skin. My totally was normal. Oh, no, almost forgot. There we go. But first, let me show you what are the updates here. So I did make a video about them, but then I missed something, so I had to restart the whole thing. And it didn't even upload it anyways. So the first secret is right over here. The sheriff. Maybe you're wondering what is in this. But there is a secret cage. Because if you try to find it and you can't, well, I didn't find it in the first place, but now I found it because of someone. Yeah, look. See, guys? Okay. And also, I can actually escape, so I'll show you. So you just gotta go to this emote. Does it even work anymore? I don't think it works anymore. Oh, there it works. There we go. Let me show you the next secret in here. And then I'll show you the new props. So I think this map, this one right here, there's a new gun right here. Did you see it? There's a new gun right here. And the next secret is a new mob. I really unlocked it, but I shall still show you for you guys. So we gotta find this. I actually kind of forgot where it was. Is it behind here? Oh, let's check. There was a bone here somewhere. Because that also means the monster. Oh, okay, I found it. So this is where the monster spawns. But first, let me get a weapon. So if you see this bone right here, that means where the monster is. You gotta shoot it or something. And look, he appears, even though I already unlocked him. See? Yes. And then once you kill him, get out of the game and then restart it and then go back to the map. Then you'll unlock it. See? Okay, now there are no more secrets in here. So now I'm just gonna show you the props now. I'm gonna speed the same map because this is a new map. So I'll show you the new modes. There's a stupidity toy that I don't like, and then there's this like moving like up and down with swords, and then here's a balloon. So yeah, and there's a new one that kills anything. So I'll show you. Look at this. He just got kills instantly. And let me show you the strongest mob. See? But he still kills me even though I killed him already. The same thing for Jumbo Josh and Huggy Wuggy. The zombie, no, it just dies. Let me show you the zombie. It's kind of quick. See? Okay. Oh. Let me show you the props now. There's these guys. There's new things. I wish you can just change your they're like likes whatever. But now they have new new of them. And here's the one that they used to have, but now they have these guys. So yeah. And then the bottom here. What? I thought that was new. Oh yeah, and this secret cage. You have to go to the key to open it. So yeah, for wondering how to open it. And here's a new TV. Yep, it can never turn off. It just switches. Yeah. Let's check here. No foods, no. There is a new one here. I'll try to unlock it. Yeah. Anyways, I gotta make another part. Guys, I'm back. So let's go to Western. Sorry, guys. Let me restart it for a second. So I have the new gun now. I found some new secrets. So yeah. So it's right on top of this whole hill. Okay, now we need to be tiny. Just so now let's get rid of that, and then you see this chicken right here. And there's another secret. The sheriff. And then you gotta get in there. But first, look. This is Mevin was here. And here's another secret. If you go under here, then you'll see this right here. It's not a new gun, it's just a secret. So yeah, let me show you the new things I got. Alright. And then here's a new secret right here. Right here. And if you're tiny, you can actually get in there. So let me show you. You just gotta get this. You just gotta get this tiny. And then you go in here. It looks kinda cool, guys. You can also go in the back. And then there's a secret right here. And this is chicken toys. Have you even noticed that, the guys? Well, let me show you the other cars. Notice that thing again. Well, every time you want to go to Mac, you have to go to the front. Like, don't ever say that and go back. So yeah. And now I have this secret. I mean, that's not a secret. I have this new plane. So yeah. I also kind of changed the skin as well. For 100 coins. Chicken coins. Okay, and then there's this new car right here. I think you can even go in this one too. I think you gotta be more tiny. First, let me show you the other one. Here's this new bus one. You can kind of see inside of it, but not really. But let's be tinier to see inside of this other one I was trying to go in. I think this is tiny enough. Oh, can you even go in it? That might be the tiniest ever. I think it's the tiniest. Now, oh, okay, I get that. This is okay. Actually, be a little bit bigger. There we go. That's probably it. Okay, I cannot go under it. Go back. Look, if you try to sit on top of it, you'll actually see inside of it. And here's this dice thing. Whoop. You can also go to the back for some reason. Well, anyways, bye guys. This is all the secrets. Next time I'll make an online playing. Anyways, bye. Actually, it's not the end of the video, so I forgot one more secret. Serious. The stupid ad. Okay, there we go. So in town 30 F2, whatever it's called, and then so you're gonna go somewhere and then you gotta fly to it. I don't know what's really laggy.
Digo, amigo, ¿cómo anda?
Bien.
Bien, eso es bueno.
So you gotta go right here.
No, le digo a Cristina que el otro día.
And then you fly somewhere around here, like keep going. You gotta go past this tree right here. I think it was where we were actually. So you go on top of here. Okay. And then once you go right here, there was a black thing here, but now when you go near it, then it's not there. And also I forgot to show you the new skins. So yeah. Actually, I need the new suits. So here's the new suits right now. This apple, this willow, and this one that we unlocked from that black thing, and then this transparent background, and then this. This goofy thing. I mean, this is not goofy, but this is a goofy thing, and then this donut goofy thing, and then this blue thing, this, and then this. Oh, never mind. That's not new. Anyways, bye guys. See you later.